Do you have games stored so tight you can't get them out? Or games stored so high you can't get the one down without them all falling down? If any of this looks familiar, you're in the right place. I'm Steph, and today we're excited to talk about how to organize your board games specifically. And if you stick with us through the entire video, we're also going to share some of our best hacks for organizing card games and puzzles as well.
One of the real challenges here for storing our games in this closet is the bifold doors. They block probably 8 inches or so, maybe even 10 inches of the storage that's in the corner. So if I want to get a game that's back here in the corner, I have to take out all of these to pull out that game. And so it just isn't working.
We feel that one of the key problems to keeping board games organized is that they all come in different sizes and shapes of boxes, which makes it really hard to store. We have struggled with this for a long time. So we're ditching the boxes and using these clear pouches by Marie Kondo, the Kawaii, hopefully I said that right, the Kawaii collection. We have letter size, legal size, and accessory pouch size. And there will be a link to these down below. First, you'll want to take stock of the games that you have on hand. Of course, if you have games with missing pieces or games you don't play anymore, of course, that's a good time to donate them, get rid of them, purge your supply. Once you have whittled it down to the games you're going to keep, just take stock of those games and measure how big the boards are so you can decide how many of these pouches you'll need in the different sizes. Most of our games fit in the letter-sized pouch, only a few were needed in the legal size, just to kind of give you an idea. To keep all of our games looking uniform and all neat and organized, we decided to use our silhouette machine and make matching labels for each of the games. Now, this is totally optional. It is an extra step. You could also just cut the front picture off of the box and put that in the front of the pouch, and that would be your cover and kids would know what game it is anyway. And the easiest part of all is transferring all the games over to their own little pouch. And we love a couple of things about these pouches. One, that it's clear because you can easily see what game is inside, what contents need to be in there, and they have very sturdy zippers. So it's nice to know that if, they do tumble and fall out of the closet or whatever, that because it's zipped closed, you're not gonna lose any pieces, it's not gonna get mixed up with other games and parts go missing. So we really like it for that feature, and it's easy for the kids to tote around as well. And if we aren't crazy organized enough, you'll notice as we place these in our bin that they are alphabetized. Now, we'll see how long that stays with kids, but you can never have too much order, right? And if you missed our video last week on toy organization, go check that out. We have over 30 different amazing ideas from all of our blogging friends, so you won't want to miss that. And as promised, we are going to show you how we like to store our card games and puzzles. So I have a drawer behind our couch that houses quite a few games. Over here I have a box of multiple puzzles. I'm going to be putting those in those same Marie Kondo pouches. I just think that would be a better option to keep those organized. And then all of our playing cards we have put in these clear plastic containers. My dad will bring these home from work. He's a tech guy. They use them for backing up storage tapes or something like that. So they're free, but I'm sure you can find something similar on Amazon or the Container Store, so we'll try to find something similar and put the links below. It just makes it nice because they're all uniform in size and they fit really nice. For the puzzles, we like to put them in these little pencil pouches. You can grab them for about $1 a piece or even sometimes less when it comes back to school time, so we just stock up on them, and we like to just throw the cover of the puzzle box and all the pieces inside, and it keeps them nice and neat. And we love the zipper again, just keeps everything organized and together. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed these ideas and you can implement them in your own home. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. And as always, here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.